I suddenly developed a case of the hiccups. This is going great. Isn't it a thing where the baseline status for the human being is constant hiccups, but your brain has basically a signal in it that stops your hiccups, but if you fuck that up, you just have hiccups for the rest of your life? I think there's a person who, like, that happened to. Yeah, the Jennifer Me. Oh, hers eventually stopped, but she just had them for so long, she got famous for it. Oh my, she was convicted of murder? Oh my god, she robbed a guy of $50 and shot him with her friends? What a crazy pool.